Good morning guys, uyu munsi tugiye kureba gold analysis, ariko mbere yuko tureba gold analysis reka tubanze turebe news dufite uno munsi. Iza GBP JPY zarangiye. News ihari ikomeye ni iya initial jobless claim cyangwa se ababuze akazi mu gihe cy'ibyumweru bitambutse, niyo iri strong uko mubibona irafite 3 stars, kandi tuzi ko news ziba zifite 3 stars ziba ari zo ziri strong. Indi ikaba ijambo rya perezida wa Amerika USA president speaker ari buvuge saa 12. Iyi jobless claim iri saa 9:30. Ndikumva ari izo ngizi, izindi zo ni ibisanzwe, nta mpinduka nyinshi ziteza muri market. Nimba ndeba neza ni izi ebyiri na crude oil investor iri bube saa moya. So ni izi ebyiri dufite. Noneho turebe gold ko byifashe. As we can see, gold now uburyo iri kugenda iri very bullish. As you can see, iri kugenda making a higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. Ishobora making the higher low continuation. So as you can see, iri very bullish muri daily time frame. Nk'ibisanzwe dutangira dukora analysis zacu, reka tubanze tu marking highs of daily candle. Iyo tu marking highs na lows of daily candle, icyo bidufasha kumenya aho market cyangwa se range ya market ahiri. Nk'ibisanzwe turayihindura purple line kugira ngo indicating highs na lows ya ntuza ya current candle cyangwa se daily candle. Okay. Iyi ni lows ya daily candle, iyi ikaba highs ya daily candle. Okay. As we can see right now, next resistance ikaba hangaha kuri daily time frame, ariho isoko rishobora kugera. Tuze tumakinge na support iri ahangaha kuri daily time frame, na hari indi support. Twongere tumakinge half iyi big candle yerekana ko isoko rishobora kuhagera rikabouncing back cyangwa se rikongera rikajya muri bullish side. Niyo mpamvu tu makinga half ya half candle ya half ya previous candle. As you can see, it's half. Dukoreshe pips measure tumeasuringa niba ari half 170. Turamanuraho gake. Noneho reka tujye muri 4 hour time frame turebe ko byifashe. Okay. In order to avoid so many lines, like adjusting inner highs, the previous candle, as you can see, ubu market iri muri range cyangwa se iri muri consolidation cyangwa se nta cyerekezo isoko rifite, riri muri iyi range. Duhindure kare tuyigire white box, tugire white box. Okay. Tujye left side turebe nimba hari ahantu hari support. As we can see, ahangaha hari support. There is support. Okay. Ahangaha hari clean range. As you can see, here there is clean range. Ni ukuvuga ngo market iramutse breakings out byaba ari sawa ko haba hari continuation. Okay. Noneho tujye muri 1 hour turebe aho dushobora kwitega, dushobora ku taking action. Okay. There is another support in hourly time frame. Tuhita tuyigira white kugira ngo twerekane hourly support. To adjusting also this one or support, adjusting n'iyi hejuru. Okay. As you can see now, icyo twakitega kuri gold ni ibintu bibiri. Dushobora kwitega ko iri bu breaking, iri buze ikakora breakout, ikaza igakora retest kugira ngo ibone gukora continuation. Iyo ni first cyangwa se nicyo cya mbere twakitegura, niho twabona probability cyangwa se good trade. Another thing we can do is just to kurindira isoko ika breaking out, kuko strong support iri ahangaha. Strong support iri aha. Twose ni minor support. Also this one is minor support. Strong support iri ahangaha n'aha. Aho twarindira nuko twabona rejection kuri iyi support n'ahangaha kugira ngo tubone kujya for buy. Support when you will get good confirmation cyangwa strong confirmation muri izi support ziri ahangaha uko ari ebyiri, tukabona ikintu kimeze nka gutya, kaza igakora rejection, tukabona ku buying, cyangwa se ibi ikabikorera hano hasi. Nabyo is another option we can expect for gold today muri 30 minutes cyangwa 15 minutes. Niho twabona good confirmation. So kuri gold ndikumva ari ibyo twakitega se cyangwa twategereza for this time. Ariko be careful, isoko ubu ntabwo riri muri avoid to kambibandikire to take trade. In this range. It's very risky. It's very risky to trade in this area. Thank you. Umunsi mwiza.